Welcome, students! In today's video, we're diving into the best AI tools that can seriously upgrade your academic life. Get ready to work smarter, not harder. First up, Grammarly. This isn't just your average spell checker. Grammarly uses AI to provide comprehensive feedback on your writing, including grammar, punctuation, style, and even tone. It ensures your essays are polished and professional. Next, we have Quillbot. Struggling with paraphrasing? Quillbot uses AI to rewrite sentences and paragraphs, helping you avoid plagiarism and find the perfect wording for your assignments. It's a lifesaver when you're stuck in a writing rut. Need help understanding complex topics? Look no further than Scholarcy. This AI tool summarizes research papers, articles, and even books in minutes. It pulls out key arguments, findings, and conclusions, saving you hours of reading time. Otter.ai is an AI-powered transcription service. It accurately transcribes lectures, meetings, and interviews in real time. Perfect for students who want to focus on listening during class and review the details later. Never miss a crucial point again. For those late-night study sessions, consider using Wolfram Alpha. This computational knowledge engine can answer complex questions across a wide range of subjects, from math and science to history and economics. It's like having a super smart tutor at your fingertips. And finally, Consensus. This tool uses AI to search for and summarize findings from scientific research, allowing you to quickly understand what the consensus is on a given topic. It's great for identifying reliable sources and understanding different points of view in academic discussions. So, there you have it. Some of the best AI tools that every student should know. Experiment with these tools and discover how they can help you succeed in your academic journey. Good luck and happy studying. Remember, these AI tools are your companions in the pursuit of knowledge. Whether it's writing that perfect paper, understanding complex theories, or managing your time better, they're here to support you every step of the way. And if you're learning remotely, don't forget tools like Zoom and Google Meet that integrate easily with transcription and summarization AI for maximizing your online classes. Combine these AI tools with a good plan and watch as your productivity soars. Be proactive, schedule regular times to explore these tools to get the most out of your academic journey. Innovation is key in today's educational landscape. Embracing these AI advancements can make learning more efficient, enjoyable, and truly transformative. Did you know any of these? Comment.